The 2024 new Original Pad 6 Pro tablet emerges as a technological marvel, seamlessly integrating innovation and performance. This Android 12-powered tablet, available on Aliexpress, boasts a powerful Snapdragon 870 DK core processor, 5G connectivity, an impressive 11-inch 4K screen, and a host of features that redefine the tablet experience. The Snapdragon 870 DK core processor, with its 10 cores, ensures swift and responsive performance, making multitasking and demanding applications a breeze. The 11-inch 4K screen, with a resolution of 2560x1600, delivers stunning visuals, providing an immersive experience for multimedia consumption, gaming, and productivity. Choose from expansive storage options ranging from 128 GB to a whopping 1 TB. Accompanied by generous RAM configurations. This ensures ample space for your files, apps, and seamless multitasking. Running on the latest Android 12 operating system, the Pad 6 Pro tablet brings the latest features, security enhancements, and a user-friendly interface to your fingertips. The tablet features a front 16MP camera for high-quality selfies and a rear 32MP camera to capture every detail in your photos and videos. With a 10,000 mAh high-density lithium-ion battery, the tablet promises extended usage, allowing you to stay connected throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. The Hot Bend 3D plating gradient glass back cover not only enhances the tablet's aesthetics, but also showcases the fusion of art and technology in its design. Stay at the forefront of connectivity with 5G support, ensuring fast and reliable internet access for streaming, browsing, and more. In conclusion, the 2024 new Original Pad 6 Pro tablet redefines the tablet experience with its powerful specifications, cutting-edge features, and a design that reflects the synergy of art and technology. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or a casual user, this tablet promises an exceptional and futuristic computing experience.